Hello friends, welcome you to your own channel Technology Transforming. Today's session we just carrying out from last session what we did in last our Microsoft Word. So today we are going little ahead with their its tab. So just start the today's session. So what we'll do, we'll put with Word and the Word will be open. Now what will happen in our last sessions, what we did file home, how we save, how we do text edit, how we do text thing. Now today our session will be on insert, but again insert is the very big subject, so maybe it will not cover in the today's session, but maximum we will cover whatever it's available with us. So we'll go into first, this thing is cover page. So cover page means if you want to make some cover thing to your business, your anything, you just, their ready-made templates are available based on your demands. And what you do, you just put your things here, what you want to add, you can add anything. You want to change the text, you can change text. Its size you want to increase, you want to increase size. So whatever you can do from here. So it's by default thing. You can do with your play with your things. You, if you want any business opportunity, you want to make any report, and you want to create the document, you can change this picture. If you want to, like, if you are suppose, so you can go into the picture and you replace with if you want maybe computer project report, so you can change with computer project report. And you can put document title, you can put what is about this and who is created, you can make it with your this thing. So once you do this picture option, this by default, if you see earlier we have till view, now we have format, design and layout. So three things. So we can do lot of formatting. So we'll cover this format, design and layout shortly in our this video. Okay, so right now I think, hope you understand with this. Okay, now what I am doing, right now I'm just deleting this thing. Okay, and we'll again go into other thing. Then after that we have very important, which is table. So table you can create like how many rows and how many columns based on your requirement. By default is it's 10 by 8 thing in the Word. And if you want to, like, you want to put as per your this thing, so you can put number of column how much, number of rows how much, so it will come default by default like this. Okay, and you can also do press tab button in last session, so you can create another whatever rows you want, you can create it. Okay, then we can put like here, suppose you want to merge here. So what you, once you select here, again you see the design thing and layout thing is come up. So what you can do, you can like merge this merge this cell. So suppose you want school ABC, whatever is school or whatever it's, you just put this, and you can make this as center, so you can make it from here. You can do this. Then you want to add serial number, name of student, you can put roll number, you can put like whatever you want to do, you do as per your this thing. Okay, so this you have already put it. Now you want to you have one more table. Suppose I go here and I put one more table, which is again 5 by 2, you can say. Right now it's coming here, and you want these two column not part of this table, but it's separate table. So what you can do, you just put press shift plus alt plus arrow key. So once you put arrow key, it will come by default up or down. You can take this up and down. Okay, you can have this, then you put, if shift alt again, you just take this, and it is by default it is meeting with the old table. Okay, now suppose you want to you want to delete this. Okay, so what you can erase. You just go to erase and just put the erase, so this will by default erase. If you want to insert something, so you just go into the draw table. Okay, you want to create like this, or whatever you draw, it will come automatically here. Okay, split already we discussed how we split. We can split cell also. So if you want split cell, so you can do split cell. It is by default splitting. Whatever it's selecting, it's suppose you want split cell, so it will ask how many you want. So if you want 2 by 2, so you can put 2 by 2. It will come 2 by 2 here. Okay, then we want, suppose we want, like we want. Okay, I will just, what I will do, I will merge these all. So I want here ABC. So what you will do, if you want to rotate this, rotate this text, so you can rotate from here, text direction, whatever it's you want. And you want this and you want in mid, so it will go into mid. You can change the alignment from here. Okay, so these things we can do in design. What we can do, design, it will change orientations. It's different orientations. It will go by default whatever you want. So you want, suppose we will just go with this. Now you want this as shading, so you can, this will shade different like this. You want this, then you go here, you want different this, you want different this. Okay, so you can do this shading. Then we have border style. If we want border style like this, so you just put this, so border will be like this. Okay, I will show you the this. You have to be, what is your thickness and line style, so it will come by default. So suppose if you are making here, you see, so you can do many things as you want. You have to just these things can't be, I'm just speaking, it will be not help you. You have to just go on your computer and you have to do practically, then you will understand better. Okay, suppose this is done. Then we have table. We have different. Okay, we have different menu here. Again, insert table, draw table. If you want to draw, you can draw as this. Okay, then you can draw as per your this thing, how many columns you want, how many rows. Means this is manual. You can do manually as well. Okay, so okay, we'll delete this. Okay, then we have suppose we want to convert some text. We have some text, so as we said, we can make some 2 by 3. So suppose we already put this text, and this text we want as a format of column. So what we can do, we can just select this text, go into the table, and convert text into the table, and then you go to paragraph, and then you can convert into this as your this thing. So this is unnecessary, so we can delete this. Okay, delete rows. And this you can also select, this is delete rows. So by default it is there. So you can fill this with color. Again, what we discuss, you can have whatever you want. You can just make it your borders, columns, or whatever it is. So you can do a lot of things into this. Then suppose we you are no idea how many row, how many columns, and you just started, suppose serial number. Okay, and you just put then tab, then name of the student, then is roll number, and then you go to roll number, then you go to but you have to put tab only. You can't do just and then A, then B, then C. Okay, these things you suppose you created. Same way, other line you want serial number 1, then you go to tab, then student A, then you have to just put tab. Okay, then roll number, maybe suppose 11, then A is nothing, then because we put 2 tab, okay, maybe here we put 2 tab, so then you put A in front of A1, suppose you want 2, suppose you want 3. Make sure it should be only happen with your tab only. Now see, if we go to again insert table and convert text to table and then here columns. Okay, if you put like this, oh no, this is something wrong, just a minute. You just go into insert table and then convert table into table. Yeah, tabs, you have to put in tabs. Okay, so once you put into tabs, if you see by default your all the columns and rows are ready, means your tables are ready. Okay, now move into the other area. What is here? Now we'll delete this. Okay, then we have pictures. You can insert lot of pictures, whatever it's available in your computer. Suppose I have this picture, I will insert here, and you can, like right now, if you insert picture and if you want to here, it will not come here because it is by default locked. So what you have to go, you are just go to web text and just put here in front of text. So now if you put anywhere, it will go by default. Okay, so this, and again you can put border, same picture border what we discuss. Picture border, suppose you want dash color, and picture effect you want something like shadows. If you see shadow is coming behind. Okay, you just see shadow is coming behind. Then we have reflections, we have different, see that reflection is coming down, the reflection is coming down, you know, reflection is there are many other options of reflection. Then glow, you can just use some text how the glow it will be. So glow will be there. Then 3D rotation, like you can rotate your picture anywhere, whatever you want, whatever format you want, you just take it and go. Maybe in 2007, when Office 2007, you have to be click one by one and then you have to see. But 13 onwards or 10 onwards, the things are, you just click to just see the preview, and you can, after that, whatever you want to do, you just click onto that. So you do many things with this. Then we have here some alignment we can do. We can whatever it's like alignment, center, if you make center is already there, right, left, so you can do with your the alignments. Okay, you want to change picture, you just go into the change picture and from file, and suppose if you want to add this, so into that whatever we already did it, this picture is added as an other picture. So this we can do with the pictures. Then we have online picture, you can take online pictures. Then we have shapes. So shape, you can suppose taking this shape and you can fill color from here. Okay, this you remain this color. Then you have this, okay, and you fill this with different color. And then we are taking another one like this, and this you fill color like this, or different color, whatever you want to like. Okay, now you want to suppose what happened now, this thing is not it's already behind. So what you will do, you will just go to your here is the send back and send bring forward. So you just go to bring forward. Once you do bring forward, it just come ahead of one step. If you take full front, then it will come just above this. So we'll go this front, it will go this. Now you want to do this with the bring forward, so it will come as a bring forward. So you can do a lot of things. You can, I already show you how you can put here, so rest all the things are same. Now we have important thing which is very, very important. So we'll go into the insert. We have smart art. So friends, these are very, very important. Smart art is basically you can use as a, suppose you want to create your hierarchy means who are in the top, suppose you have company and the CEO, then manager 1, then manager 2, then you have staff 1, then you have staff 2, then here maybe here is 3 staff. So what you will do, staff 1. Now you want to add something more, so what you will do, you just go here, you just click this and just go into design, add shape or whatever it's before, after. Okay, we are just putting after. Okay, and one more we will put after. So staff 1, staff 2, staff 3, sorry, staff 3, you can put like this. You want to add above or below, so you can add and above below of this. Suppose you want under staff 3, so what you will do, you just go here or you just put below. So below will be one staff will be there. You can change different style. You can change different color. If you want this color will appear. You want this color, this will appear. Whatever design you will select, the design will come. You want to do like this, you want to do like this, you want to do like this, you want to do like this. So this is very useful. Everybody should understand this, because this will help you in terms of making hierarchy, in terms of making different thing. Format, again you can do, you can put all the formats from here. You can fill the color. Suppose you want fill color here, so you can go with this. So you can change lot of things. So once you are in the thing, then you can go into smart art. Again you can go to, suppose, okay, cycles or process. So sometimes you want to define your process. So how it will be processed. First this thing will happen, then this thing will happen, then this thing. So process define. Again you can this will happen first, then this will happen first, this will happen second, this will, so first, this will be second, this will be third. Okay, change you can do from here. Okay, sequence you can make it, different color you can give it. Add, I already told you. So you can do lot of things. Okay, suppose you have a cycle, or you want to some pyramid, pyramid, you can do pyramid. So pyramid, L1, L2, L3. Okay, so this is the pyramid. Now you want to change color, so you can have different color. You want to different pyramid, different text. You can add, and you can work as you want. Then we have this is the smart art, very important. You just use it, different cycle, many things you have. What is the cycle, what is the process? So suppose we are creating some cycle. First what will we do, then what will we do, like suppose exam. I will give you example of exam. First what will happen, the first semester, then second semester, third, fourth, and final, and then result. So you can make cycle whatever you want to do. So different style will come, whatever you have to do. Once you will do, you will come to know, oh, this is many things, many different things you can do, like this, many things you can. Once you are entering into that, you will just come to know this many options are there. Now next move is again very important, it's chart. So chart, you can just make it, you just select it. Right now we are selecting column, and column we are just selecting here. Once you are selecting chart, it's by default go to your Excel, and so what we'll do, we'll put here some name, Ram Mohan Nita. Okay, and maybe you can put XYZ, ABC you can put. Okay, then we have here maybe subject, so we'll put maths, then we'll put computer, then we'll put here SST, then we'll put here maybe one more, art. Okay, now we can, suppose we are giving 10 marks here, this is 5 marks, this is 4 marks, this is 2 marks, and computer, and this we will only give in 5 marks. So this we can do and put it here. So if you see, this thing is already done, so we close this. So now you see till this is the RAM and this is the math subject, he are getting this much. So what you do, you just quick layout, you go to quick layout, and you can change the layout thing from here. If you see the thing is going change now, if you put here, the marks is coming by default here. If you are down, right, left, this thing will, how it will link with each other. Then we have this, so you just put like here. You want to change color, again you want this will be the color change. You want to do different, you see right now this nothing. Then if you want to marks also, so marks also will coming here. So once you do different things, it will come by default, lot of many things. See, so suppose we want this, and now it's only RAM and arts is showing only 5, other is no number. So what if we want to add it again, so what we'll do, we'll go into chart element and we'll go into edit data, so once we'll put here 2. Okay, once we'll put here 2, it's by default will come, okay, it's 2 number. So you can make it many things. Now once we go to design, we'll go to insert and we'll go to chart. We can change this chart as different. Suppose we want as line. Okay, so it is show as line. Okay, see this maths, so maths is showing this is Ram, this is Mohan, this is Nita, this. So again we'll go to different okay, we want to like bars, so bar will come like this. Okay, so you can change many things, whatever you want to do, you can have it. You just suppose, okay, histogram, you want in histogram, so histogram you have this much, so you can do as a histogram. So Ram is saying 10. Then these things you can, once you do experiment, you will come to know many things. And whatever you will do, you can go as this, then it will come like this, but it's coming different chart for different things. No, you can't do all the charts for similarly, like as we says column, so column is coming something, so you can do as a many of things, you can do it from the chart. That's it for today's session, because the video is going to be big. So I hope you like our this session also. If you like our session, please subscribe our channel. Please press bell icon also, so you will, once you will put bell icon, whatever videos we will make it, you will get notification, then you can watch it, you can gain your more knowledge. If you like our video, please like and share with your friends. And thank you for today's session. We'll meet our next session.